Hello friends, in today's video we will do unboxing, installation and quick review of the latest model of Siemens 14 place settings dishwasher. The model number you can see on the screen right now. After almost 2.5 months of lockdown, we realized that having a dishwasher is an essential part of our lifestyle and decided to buy one for ourselves. As usual with any new appliances, we started doing a research, and after an initial round of R&D, we narrowed down to Bosch and Siemens as our primary choices. We started looking for some YouTube reviews for the latest model of these brands, but unfortunately we could not find a single video review of the latest models of Bosch and Siemens. Some of the criteria we considered were the size and capacity of the dishwasher. Normally there are 3 standard sizes available in Indian market: 12 place, 13 place and 14 place settings. Electrical and water consumption, the cleaning performance, noise level, and of course the brand value. Before narrowing down on Bosch and Siemens, we were almost about to finalize the latest model of LG 14 place quad wash dishwasher, which was priced at about 55,000 rupees in Reliance Digital. The model has some really cool features like quad wings, steam wash, two-sided water spraying technology. However, we decided not to go for this model primarily because of 2 reasons. One, it does not have a separate cutlery tray, which was one of the basic requirements that we were looking for. And second, we wanted to go for an established brand in dishwasher, and this model in technology seemed relatively new and did not want to take any chances. So after a thorough research and multiple discussions with Bosch and Siemens dealer, we zeroed in on the Siemens 14 place settings IQ 500 series dishwasher with model number SN258I06TE. The machine came in a decent packaging of corrugated box and thermocol. The technician seemed knowledgeable and came to install the machine within 24 hours of delivery. The unboxing was easy and just took few minutes. On the box, the sticker indicates the country of origin as Germany, and it was a big relief to see that it did not say made in China as with some other appliances. However, since the machine was imported from Germany, it also came with the default language as German. It took a little while to figure out how to set the language back to English. I will share another video of how to set the desired language. The MRP on the box indicates Rs 90,000. And it seems that due to lockdown, the demand of dishwashers have gone up and hence dealer was not ready to negotiate much. However, we finally got the machine at the price of Rs 85,000 in Bangalore directly from the Siemens dealer. The overall build quality of the machine is highly premium. The front panel has the metallic silver finish which looks really good. The IQ 500 series dishwasher comes with the zeolite technology, which is Siemens proprietary technology for drying utensils. The 14 place Siemens dishwasher has 3 internal sections: lower basket, middle basket and cutlery tray. The main baskets are made out of metal and look sturdy. The cutlery tray is made out of high quality plastics. Overall, the machine looks sturdy and premium. Along with machine, we also got documentation in multiple international languages, 9 different languages to be precise, extra power cord with 2 pins, 2 all-in-one cleaning tablet from Finish, 40 ml of Finish rinse aid liquid, plastic funnel to fill the salt. While the technician installs the machine, let us take a quick look at the specification. It's an IQ 500 series machine, the highest series model available in India at this point in time. It's a freestanding style machine, which means that you do not need to fix it inside your kitchen cabinet. It comes with 14 place settings, the maximum capacity available by Siemens in India at present. It also comes with 8 triple+ ratings, which is extremely efficient both in terms of electrical and water consumption. The noise level is 42 dB, again extremely low, in fact the lowest noise level available in India in any other dishwasher at this point in time. It also comes with TFT touch panel with 6 different temperatures and 8 different programs. As per standard, one place settings include a large dinner plate, a small snack plate, a saucer, a bowl, a coffee cup, a drinking glass, a knife, 2 teaspoons, a dinner fork and a small salad fork. So for a 14 place settings, you can accommodate up to 140 utensils in this combination. On a side note, the Home Connect app is not available in India right now. The installation was easy and just took around 15 minutes. That too because the technician had to put additional connector between water inlet pipe and the water tap, which cost us around 300 rupees. Now let us look at the internals of the machine and consumable. The Finish brand tablet is a combination of the detergent, rinse aid and salt in one bundle itself. We got a pack of 30 tablets for 1200 rupees. However, there are variety of tablets available online and the price will vary accordingly. You can use all-in-one tablet or use all three consumables individually. This is the 40 ml bottle of rinse aid from the Finish brand. You need to fill it in this chamber as and when there is an indication on the main screen. To fill the salt, you have to open the lid and using the funnel provided, you can fill it up to 1 kg of salt at a time, which will run for approximately 4 months depending upon quality of water. This is the filter section. It collects all the waste material after the wash cycles are completed. You can open it by twisting it anti-clockwise. Open it, clean both the sections. You need to clean these filters periodically. While putting it back, twist it clockwise and ensure to match the arrow mark so that it is locked. The lower basket comes with the variety of options and you can use multiple permutations and combination as per your washing needs. Generally, you can keep the bigger vessels like cooker, kadai, big pan, milk utensils, etc. in the bottom section. The tings are adjustable and you can make space for small or bigger plates as needed. There are two more smaller racks inside the lower baskets, one on the right hand side and one towards the back end. This can be used to put some extra cups, small glasses or small bowls. The middle basket also has multiple adjustable tings and you can use it to make space for either bigger utensils or different plate settings. The middle basket is height adjustable, which is a very useful feature in two ways. If you have big utensils in the lower baskets, then you can pull the middle basket up to make more space for lower basket. Or if you want to put bigger utensils in the middle basket, then you can pull it down to make more space for the middle basket. In either case, after setting your utensils, you need to make sure that both the fans are moving freely and they are not being obstructed by any of the utensils. The machine comes with 8 different programs like Intensive, Auto, Eco, Silence, Short, Glass, Quick Wash and Pre-Rinse. You can choose a program of your choice depending upon the type of utensils that you are loading into it. It will select the temperature and run time accordingly. If you select the auto mode, it shows the runtime as 2 hours and 30 minutes. However, the machine will automatically decide the type of load and adjust the runtime as well as temperature automatically. In our experience, the auto mode generally finished within 1 hour and 40 minutes instead of taking the full 2 hours and 30 minute cycle. Along with any of these programs, you can use the Vario Speed Plus option, which will optimize the runtime and water consumption. As I indicated earlier, the machine does come with Wi-Fi option and we were able to connect it to our router using WPS option. However, the Siemens Home Connect app is not yet supported in India and we were not able to see and review this feature. Now let us look at the cleaning performance of this machine. We have already loaded the machine with mix of utensils. The placements of the utensils is very important as it will require a few cycles to understand the right positioning and programs. We have intentionally put some heavily dirty and dried utensils which were dried overnight to see how the machine performs on this kind of load. This is a bowl which contains the leftover ice cream and dried overnight. As per the instructions, you are not supposed to use aluminum, copper, tin or regular plastic utensils inside the dishwasher. However, just for the trial purpose, we are keeping this aluminum kadai. To check the sound level of the machine, we ran it around 11 o'clock in the night so that the ambient noise is minimal and we can clearly record the noise level of the machine. For this video, we have selected the auto mode program. The auto cycle completed after about 1 hour and 40 minutes. After the completion, you need to leave the door open for few minutes for all the vapors to escape. The first impression of the cleaning is good. The utensils are very hot and you need to be careful while touching it. It looks very shiny and dry. As you can see, we had put this ice cream ball which was dried overnight is now completely clean and shiny. The utensils in the lower rack are equally clean and shiny. The aluminum kadai looks much more cleaner than the regular hand wash. Generally, the area surrounding this whistle hole accumulates a lot of dirt, and over the period of time it becomes stubborn and difficult to clean it with hand wash. However, as you can see, it has removed all the dirt around it and full marks for the same. If we have to conclude, this is an extremely silent machine with exceptionally low power and water consumption. The cleaning performance is very good. The handling and user experience is equally satisfactory. In a nutshell, we are enjoying the lockdown without worrying much about cleaning the utensils by hand. The machine is no doubt expensive, but it's a German engineering marvel in itself. If you can afford it, go for it. After all, the quality comes with a price.